go somewhere. I just wanna know something, be someone, go somewhere. Tell me I'll be alright, everything's okay. I'll have a good life, I just might believe the things you do, but it's not true.
We got the new Zhiyun Smooth 4. And this thing is a beast for any mobile vlogger. This is my buddy JL Human gonna help us demonstrate it. So the first thing we're gonna do is the movements. First mode you got is you can turn left to right and it'll smoothly follow you. All right, now if you go down, watch what happens. You see how the camera stays flat? Well, that's cool for some shots, but not for others. So bring it back up. So you have this trigger right here, and if you hold that, it'll actually lock it and bring the camera pointing down. Bring it back up. Now there's a top trigger. That's called phone go. It's for whipping, and it keeps, whip it. It keeps the crane or the Smooth 4 steady while it's doing that. So we're gonna go through the little menu options here first. You see this little camera over here? You click that and it changes it. Go ahead and click it again. From the front facing camera to the back facing camera. If you want to record your video, you hit this red button and then you'll see that it's actually recording with the little red dot at the top here. So unrecord it. So the camera right here, you just click it and it takes a picture. Do it again. Bottom one, if you click it, that's how you get to the stuff that you're actually doing. Click it. One of the coolest things about the Smooth 4 is actually this zoom wheel. So watch as he rolls it, the image will zoom in and then zoom back out. So if you re-tap this button right here, it'll actually turn into a focus as he rolls it. I don't know if you can see the image blurring. Go ahead and pull the focus. You can pull focus and blur out. So now we're going to take you into the menu. So you just click the display or the menu button right there, and then you can see right here in the camera you have all your different pano shots, long exposure, slow-mo, time lapse, like vertigo, all your different camera settings. And then your flash, you can turn it to go on, but the cool thing is if you're at night you can hit steady light and turn your light on your phone. And then your timer, if you want to set a timer. And you have a tripod, so you can actually set the Smooth 4 up somewhere. HDR, just it's high definition. I always like to have it on. Now white balance, yeah, I usually like to pick a preset, and then that way all my colors are consistent, or you could just leave it on auto white balance, and you know, just do that thing. Down here is your actual film or your resolution. So you got all your different stuff, 24, you got 4K, 60 frames, your frame rates. Manual is if you want to lock exposure, but I haven't really quite figured that out yet, to be honest. Scene is, go ahead and, this is basically, are you going to be shooting fast stuff, walking? I usually just leave it on walking. And then the filter is if you wanted to put a color over your film as you're filming it. And there's all kinds of different stuff here. And then your settings, I don't really mess with this, but if you wanted to get all nitty-gritty with it, you can. So the Smooth 4, in my opinion, is the coolest phone gimbal on the market, to be honest. Like, it gives you all the control of the phone, and actually more. You can use it to take pictures. You can use it to vlog. Like, it's a super useful tool if you're actually going to be doing mobile photography or videography. And with cameras and gimbals and phones getting so good with the cameras, it's small, it's light, it's powerful. So if you're looking for a phone gimbal, I don't think there's a different one I would even recommend. You can just switch between photography and video with literally buttons all in your hand and not even touch the screen on your phone.
I just wanna know something, be someone, go somewhere. I just wanna know something, be someone, go somewhere. Tell me I'll be alright, everything's okay. I'll have a good life, I just might believe the things you do, but it's not true.